Hello, I am welcome fans on my YouTube channel. My name is Kumar and in this video I am going to provide your premium GeneratePress plugin at just 2 for 10 rupees. Before going to start, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any of the latest updates from my channel. So let's get started. So first you have to click on the link that I have given in the description and it will redirect to this website. So I'm just opening it now. Watch this video till end because in this video I'm going to provide you a coupon code that will provide you an extra discount of 10%. So watch this video till end, guys. So now after visiting this website you have to go to the shop and you have to scroll down. As you can see, GeneratePress Premium, you have to click on it. So as you can see, the actual price of GeneratePress Premium plugin is about 18,000 rupees, but on this website it is available at only 249 rupees. So if you want to read more about the GeneratePress Premium, you can read from here the description. All of the features have given here. You can read all about the GeneratePress Premium plugin. So to purchase this item you have to click on add to cart and it will add it to the cart. You have to click on view cart and now on this cart page you can see the option of coupon code. Here you have to type GPress10. You have to type GPress10 to get an extra 10% discount on GeneratePress Premium plugin. So you simply click on apply coupon. When you click on apply coupon, it will give you an extra discount of 25 rupees. So I have already added this item to the cart, that's why it is showing. Otherwise it will show me the coupon code has been applied successfully. So as you can see, the discount has been given 25 rupees and now the total amount that I have to pay is 224 rupees. So you have to click on proceed to checkout. So after visiting this billing page, you have to type your details like name, last name and the country address, and you have to type your email address. By submitting these details, your account will be created on this website and you can see your order details here, and from here you can select the one of the payment method. By you want to pay with InstaMojo or you want to pay with Rs.224, and after you have to click on place order and it will proceed for the payment gateway page. So you have to wait. When you type your email address, it will automatically create an account for you on OneTripAI.cu. Whenever you needed your GeneratePress Premium plugin, you can download it from here easily. So now it is redirecting to the payment gateway page. So from here you can see the different payment methods have given here, like the UPI, Google Pay, cards, net banking and wallet and ICICI Pay Later. So these all are the options. You can pick any of them and purchase this item. After purchasing the item, you will have to come back and you have to go to the my account, and once you purchase this item, the download will start automatically. If it is not started, you have to simply go to the downloads. Your purchased item will be listed here and you can download it anytime and unlimited time, as some of the websites has restricted to that you can download your premium or the purchase item only 1 or 10 times only. But on this website, once you purchase the item, you can download it anytime, unlimited times, guys. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Make sure you must subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.